Welcome to the daily review from KASM Capital. The US market, euro, the US dollar, the movement in Bitcoin as well as trends in oil and gold, as given by the founder and director Dr. Mann.
Morning, how's everybody? So we are back with more news about the markets, the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. Not much happening in the markets nowadays. Markets are pretty much looking for some sort of a catalyst to move upwards or downwards. Yesterday, there was a lot of downward movement. There was some profit taking, a bit of nervousness because of the government shutdown, and also the New York Fed released a report with regards to the inflation outlook from the consumer for the future, which wasn't very bright. So all of that led to led to a dip in the market, and that was expected. We had been talking about it since the beginning of this week. However, overnight the market seems to have paid some of those losses. Similarly, Bitcoin had climbed to an all-time high, came down a bit. Again, it's bearing some of its losses. It's going hand in hand with the market. As the market rallies, it tends to go upwards. Gold is continuing to climb. It has breached the $4,000 mark, and it is now hovering at around 4,040 last I checked. So gold is obviously climbing, and it will continue to climb as long as we are in a shutdown situation. Oil prices are remaining pretty much static, some upward movement, not a lot, and the euro is continuing to gain against the US dollar. However, not as much as one would have thought given the political upheaval in Europe. So, on the whole, markets are waiting for something to give it some sense of direction. And in the meantime, gold is serving as a safe haven asset, and Bitcoin is climbing with the markets, while the US dollar is weakening against the euro because of the shutdown, but not so much because of political turmoil in Europe. So we'll keep you posted for more. Stay tuned, and we'll be back with more news.